Do you like number lines? Number lines help us a lot in math because they show us numbers in order. Up on the board, I have a number line. And notice that the numbers are in order exactly like we count them. See, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number lines always show us numbers in order. There's smaller numbers, and then the numbers get bigger and bigger and bigger. See that? Well, notice that this number line has an arrow. The arrow tells us that we could make this number line longer. It could keep going. So if we erase this arrow, we could draw this number line longer. So after 5, what number would come next? That's right, 6. And then we would have 7. And notice we still have an arrow, which tells us that the number line could keep on going. Number lines can actually keep going forever because numbers can keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But did you know that number lines don't have to start at 0? We could draw a number line like this. Here's our line, but what if we start at 3? So we'd have 3. What number would come next? That's right, 4, just like we count. 5, 6. But notice we have an arrow over here and we have an arrow over here. What does that mean? That's right, that means the number line could keep going this way with numbers getting bigger, but it could also keep going this way with numbers getting smaller. So look, if we made it longer going back, then the numbers would be getting smaller. 2, 1. But if we made it longer going this way, the numbers would get bigger. 7, 8. We still have those arrows on the end though. So see, number lines are very useful because they show the numbers exactly in order. And you can think about it as just being exactly like you would count them. Now in this lesson, you get to do a brain exercise. You're going to be given a number line and you have to find a missing number. So remember, number lines always show the numbers in order. So let's try one. Here we have our number line. I'm going to give you some numbers, but there's going to be a missing number in our number line. Right here is our missing number. What number goes right there? Well, think about it like you're counting. If you were counting, you'd say 9, 10, 11. So 11 is the number that goes right here. And then you'd say 12, 13, 14, and like I said, it could keep going forever if you wanted. But see, it's really easy to find that missing number if you just think about it being like you're counting. So let's do a problem together like you'll get to do in your practice in just a minute. Here we have the number line, and you need to find the missing number. You'll need to find which number is missing and then type it in. So let's see. Here's our number line. You can see we have some numbers, but look, this number is missing. What number goes right there? Well, let's think about counting. If we were counting, we'd say 8, 9, 10. So 10 is the number that goes right there. So you would type in 10, and then you would push next. Let's do another one. So again, we have a missing number. This time it's right here. So think about if you were counting, what number would go right there? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, right? So 16, 17. 17 is the number that's missing. So you would type it in, 17, and then push next. Now you get to do some. Good luck.